Hello everyone. So in this video we will solve LeetCode problem number 1716, that is calculate money in LeetCode Bank. So let's go by the problem statement first. Harsi wants to save money for his first car. He puts money in the LeetCode Bank every day. He starts by putting $1 on Monday, the first day. Every day from Tuesday to Sunday he will put in $1 more than the day before. On every subsequent Monday he will put in $1 more than the previous Monday. Given and return the total amount of money he will have in the LeetCode Bank at the end of ant day. So in the problem statement, it is given that Harsi is saving money to buy his first car, and he is putting this money in the LeetCode Bank every day, and he is putting this money according to some pattern, that is $1 on Monday, and every day from Tuesday to Sunday he is increasing that amount by $1. So on Monday Harsi is putting $1, and every day he is increasing the amount by $1 more. So like that, on Wednesday he will put $3, on Thursday he will put 4, Friday 5, Saturday 6, and Sunday he will put $7. So also it is given that on every subsequent Monday he will put in $1 more than the previous Monday. So on the Monday of week 1, if he kept $1 in the bank, so on the Monday of week 2 he will put in $1 more than the previous Monday, that on this week he will put in $2. And now every day from Tuesday to Sunday he will put in $1 more than the day before. So now this statement will follow, and on this Tuesday he will put in $3, and Wednesday 4, Thursday 5, 6, 7, and on Sunday 8. And so in example number 1 we are given n is equal to 4. So after the fourth day, how much money Harsi has kept in the bank? So it is 1 plus 2, 3, 6, and for n is equal to 4, the total amount is 10. In example 2, n is 10. So whole first week and 3 days from here. So it will be 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 30, 33, and 37. For n is equal to 10, it's 37. So this is the problem statement in which we have to return the total amount that this Harsi has kept in the bank. So how can we solve this? So to solve this, what we can do is we will calculate the day value and week value of every ant day. So we will calculate the week value, also day value. So and we will add these two to get the value on that ant day. So how week value can be calculated? So week value will be n by 7. So what is n by 7? Like for the first week, he is keeping week value will be 0. For a second week, for week 1, n is equal to 0. Week value is 0. For week 2, week value is 1. So let's erase this. Yeah. So similarly, day value will be n modulo 7. So for the first day, day value will be 1. For second it will be 2, like that. On 6th day it will be 6, and there is a catch. On 7th day the day value will become 0 if we go by this statement, but we have to keep the day value to 7. So what we can do is on 7th day, so we will use if condition over here. So if day value that is equal to 0, then we can do, then day value is equal to 6. So why I did 6 over here? So in that case, the total value of the day, what we are calculating is, let's say one more variable, that will be total value, that will be week value plus day value. So when for n is equal to 7, week value will become 1 and day value will 6 will get 6 from here, and for the 7 day value, this total value will be 7. So that's why I keep it 6 over here. And now we will do this whole thing, that is calculating the week value, calculating the day value, and adding these up to the nth day. So for loop we will use this, that is for I is equal to 1 to I is equal to n. We will do this thing, and then we will return the total value. Yeah. So now let's code this in C++. Day value, week value, total value is equal to 0. So for int I is equal to 1, I lesser than equal to n, I plus plus, week value is equal to n by 7, and day value is n modulo 7. Yeah, I tried solving this before also, but at that time we got some bug. So this time I think it will be removed. So if day value is equal to 0, then in that case we will increase day value to 6, and what we will do, we will add this to total value. Total value plus is equal to day value plus and at the end we will return total value. Yeah, so we have created two variables, that is day value, week value, another variable total value. We are calculating the week value for every I. It should be I over here, for here also it should be I, and if day value is 1, also this should be capital, and if day value is equal to 0, then we will increase the day value to 6, and total value is equal to plus, and yeah. So let's run this for one of the test case. Yeah, so it passed. Now let's submit this for all of the test cases. Yeah, so this is